house today. We're picking up the rest of the truck. We see the cab, bed, front end, getting everything organized here. So getting ready to get her all home, get this bad boy together. So here we go. Okay, I did a couple earlier here today, but we're drilling and tapping holes for 832. I think there are 300 and some of them on here that got to end up drilling and tapping somewhere around there. So where everything's removable and everything on it. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. So just doing a little video of working. I know it ain't real exciting stuff, but this is kind of behind the scenes of what it takes to put all new car together and brand new build and doing it the right way. So thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do support. We appreciate all the ones that have been supporting and following us, but things are going to get really fun, and we're gonna have a good time, and the Firebird and the Possum here is going to be really interesting. So thanks for everything. Curtis, what's up?
What's going on, brother? Did you buy you a car too?
Huh?
You bought you another car?
Yeah. Superstar.
Shit, I've been going to the wrong people to try and borrow a little money.
No, I'm broke.
Give me a hug, man. I need a hug. I want to see you so long.
How you been doing, baby?
Man.
Great seeing you,
Good to
man.
see you, man. Miss you.
Yeah, you too, buddy.
Miss
You
being.
guys in your new house yet?
No, the 18th is closing.
18?
Yep, we'll be in there that night. We'll start getting in there.
Well, that's awesome.
Damn, this is sweet.
Yeah, come on.
So you basically built a brand new truck.
It's all brand new.
And you just got a body. Basically is what it is, huh?
Yeah, it's a freaking pro mod is what it is.
Yeah.
But that's what you gotta have to compete on the front side now. I mean,
We're gonna go pro mod racing. We're gonna get us a big old. Hey, I know the guy to go to if you want to get a motor.
well, the motor's right there.
I'm talking about a pro mod motor too.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty. Yeah.
Chuck Cheeseman.
Chuck G-Hat. That's a pretty good one right there.
And this is beautiful.
Yeah, just got it back. Just starting to get all the drilling and tapping all these freaking holes on this thing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always something, you know. But this is part of the deal, building them, you know.
Yeah.
You want to do it the right way. Then.
Yeah. I figured he would have put you a double battery hooked up just in case you wanted to run the back out.
Nah, we just put
Just the one.
just the one. We got it for
the big ass battery that does everything.
it's all for weight, really. Basically.
Yeah. Two blinds.
Yeah, it comes through the frame. I mean, it's the whole works, man. I mean, it is the whole. It's the whole works. I mean, it's the real deal. Double frame roll 6.0 cert. It's got all the rear ends on. Y'all see the rear end? It's beautiful. It's up getting powder coated now. Let's get done with this. Get done this hammer tone.
That's nice.
So then we got everything. You know, I got all the 4-link bars were done in black, all the other stuff, and gloss black. And double frame roll. We kept stock front frame up there where the firewall used to be, from the firewall up where it used to be.
Right.
Took the stock firewall, but it's got framed because then that way we can run some radio classes and stuff with it too.
Okay.
So it meets Larry. It's a Swiss Army knife, man. Like Larry calls it. It meets a lot of the rules
For every.
for a bunch of different classes if we wanted to. Put big tires or small. We're gonna run small, but we can put the big freaking alcohol tire on it if we want to.
So you can run on top sportsman and stuff like that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we can do whatever we want to with it. I ain't gonna weigh nothing.
IHRA.
So, well, we're gonna do the small tire thing. Is the main goal we're gonna do with it, and then see how that goes. Jim and Sue's back down South Carolina. They're at the beach.
Enjoying themselves, yeah.
Yeah, enjoying the good weather. They deserve that. So, yep.
Y'all need to take a long weekend and go down to the beach. And not worry about doing anything else for a week. A weekend, long weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
I got too much shit going on with this right now.
Oh, I can imagine.
I want to get it together, and I mean things starting to come. We still got a couple major parts we got to buy and stuff.
Yeah.
But bought all the electronics, got all that was the big battle. Bought all that. That's all coming. That was the biggest. You know, we're blue collar workers, man. You know, when you're a blue collar worker, it takes you a little longer to.
You gotta work 6 days to pay for
Yeah,
5.
I do. I work 6 days a week. Now I got to work tomorrow. I work 6 days a week.
And then another 30 hours on the
Jim and
shop.
Jim and Sue and me and Kelly. I mean, there are 4 of us.
Yeah.
So.
Oh yeah. Well, we're just passing by and the garage is open.
Yeah.
Go
Just got back. Just went over to Larry's and picked up the cab and the motor and the thing and the bed. Put all the bed and the front end all in the trailer. Running out of room to keep everything. So.
You have to eventually get you a stacker, aren't you?
No.
Yeah.
Can't afford that. Okay, so this is gonna be the first part that's gonna go back into Possum. Getting ready to put the battery in it. It's going in to stay. Old Mike Zimmerman that bought the Greenhorn Hillbilly, he went back to 12 volts, so he sent the 16-volt battery back, so we're getting ready to put her in here. Just like that. First part going in Possum for good. Had to go out there and touch up where the threads were a little bit. You could see it, and I didn't want you to be able to see it, so. So this first part going in. Okay, first part in. Looks good. Yeah. Slick as a spade baby's ass.
Yep. This fucking truck is slick as hell.
Man. Took a little bit to get that on there. Okay, worked on it here for a couple days, Possum. So, got the rack on it today. Got the master cylinder, strange master cylinder, Hirsch line lock underneath there. Get that put on it. Come around here to the back. Anti-roll bars on it. Batteries in it. All the holes are tapped in there. Got all the bolt holes cleaned out for the Tin Soldier 4-link there. Got the low prep bracket there that goes in the top from Tin Soldiers. I've got to work on it yet, but kind of paint around here. This is some more stuff that's got to go to powder coating. But there's our 4-link bars. They got back from powder coating. It's all hardware, just all labeled and everything. Some more stuff got back from powder coating. The rear end and some other stuff's over there now. So there's the Santos shocks. Some parts, kind of got it organized. Got a little bit crazy. There's a wishbone, all powder coated. But worked on it a couple days this weekend. Put a little time on it. But I think Possum's coming out pretty good. It's purpose built for small tire, so going to be really excited about it. Get it going here. So got some more parts laying there. Then I got Tyler's one-way heads for his car. I got to send over to One Way Technologies, get them freshened up. But and there's our 540 sitting there, all ready to go. Them ain't the fuel rails we're running, but it's all ready to rock and roll. Rob Walden did a really good job, Jim and Sue and stuff on that. It's a good piece. Looking forward to see it. Michael Turner transmission, Turneration transmission. It's our 400 over there. There's the cab sitting there. The old Garden Angel underneath the cover. But it's kind of what we've been doing this weekend. Got a few things on it. A lot of stuff to do, drilling and tapping. You know, it's got Larry already got the guide holes and everything, but we got to go back through and tap everything, clean everything up after the powder coating. But going to work here on the rear end here before we go to the PRI. You see I'm cleaning on the low prep bracket here. You can see starting to clean the powder coating off of it so we can slide it up in there. All the tolerances are pretty darn tight on everything. But like I said, it's coming out well. I appreciate everybody watching, supporting. You know, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, like, and everything. We appreciate all the support. Like I said, we got a lot coming for 2024. Like I said, this is going to be Possum, our S10 no prep vehicle. So purposely built. So looking forward to getting it out. So that's kind of where we are this weekend. Just a little check-in, let everything know. Going to start getting some things going here. So like I said, here's all the other stuff. Kind of got to get powder coated. We got our tanks. There's our fuel tank right there. Got to get it done. There's our puke tank. And then there's a transmission puke tank. So got stuff kind of scattered everywhere, but we're in the process. So take a step forward. So like I said, really appreciate all the support and watching the channel. Thanks.